What's up everybody? So in today's video I'm going to be installing some wheel covers that were sent to me by a company known as EVBase. They make a bunch of Tesla accessories like wheel covers, sunshades, spoilers, things of that nature. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to install these new wheel covers, plus I'm also going to do a little bit of an efficiency test to see if these wheel covers change the efficiencies versus my old stock wheels that came with the vehicle. So let's get into it. And so here are the wheel covers that they sent me. They're really nice black color compared to my white Gemini wheels, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but you know, they're still not bad by any means. Okay, so before we actually put these on the wheels of the vehicle, don't forget you have these little accessories that go on top that show the Tesla logo. It's pretty simple. You just peel that off to reveal that, and then on the bottom you have kind of an adhesive thing, and it's a little annoying to kind of pry it, but once you kind of get it, you just kind of peel it off. And then you have this adhesive stickiness thing there, and then it's pretty self-explanatory. You just take it right here and then place it right in the middle so that it sticks on there. Apply a little pressure, and so there you have it. There's the Tesla logo right on the wheel, and since I stuck it on there with the adhesive just by pushing it on there, it's not coming off. It's on there just fine. Okay, so I have the new wheel covers here. I'm going to put those to the side for a second, and I'm going to show you how to take off the Gemini wheels here. It's pretty simple. Hopefully that'll stay. What you're going to want to do in order to remove these properly so you don't break anything is you're going to want to take both your hands and cup them in these little kind of accessible areas here, and then put your thumbs right on the tire, and you're going to just apply pressure with your thumbs on the tire and just pry it off bit by bit, and make sure you're kind of going along with it. Don't pry it off here and then come down here. You're going to want to follow the next one, then the next one, and then the next one. So we'll do this. I'm just going to move this guy really quick. Okay. And just like that, it should pop off. And you notice, because I took my time and went to each one, none of the clips here are broken as I removed that. So we're all good to go in case I want to use those again. Okay, so we got the wheels off, the original Gemini wheels, and we have the new ones on here. And of course, you want to line up the valve opening here with the actual valve and everything. And you're going to start there and just kind of punch it on there because it is new. So you definitely want to put a little bit of force to get it on. So let's start with the valve over here. Okay, line it up, just start punching it in like that, and bam, it's just that easy. Took just a couple punches. And here's what they look like all installed, brand new wheel covers. Okay, so in terms of efficiency, for the last 62.4 miles that I went distance-wise, I used about 16.4 kilowatt hours, and my average watt hour per mile was 262.3. So I'm gonna drive another 62 and a half miles with these new wheels on, and we'll see what the results are. And just so we'll be able to get those results pretty thoroughly, we saw what I got with the Gemini wheels. We're just gonna click reset here, and then click reset again. And then that is going to reset and give us a trip A. So we're starting exactly from 0. And then I'll do another 62 miles and get back to you guys on what the efficiency numbers are. So after driving another 62 miles with the new wheel covers from EVBase, I used 17.4 kilowatts of energy, so a little more than the 16.4 kilowatts using the Gemini wheels, and my average watt hour per mile was 279.7 versus the 262.3 watt hour per mile that I got using the Gemini wheels. So overall, the Gemini wheels are more efficient, but not by a lot. And so there you have it. Those are the results of using the new wheel covers that EVBase sent me versus the old Gemini wheel covers that came with my 2023 Tesla Model Y. If you like these wheels and you're interested in getting them yourself for your Tesla, EVBase was very kind enough to give me an affiliate link, which will be down in the description below. If you click on that, it'll take you right to the website, and you can choose whichever wheel you want. You might not want the wheels that were in this video, but you might want to see what other wheel covers that they have. So there are definitely other options that you can apply the 20% coupon that they gave me with the affiliate link. So go ahead and use that if you'd like. Plus, of course, my Tesla referral link will always be in there as well. Using my referral link to buy a brand new Tesla will give you 3 months of full self-driving for free, which full self-driving is definitely worth trying out nowadays. It's getting really good, and that 3 months of full self-driving is about a $300 value. Well, anyways, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the wheel covers. Appreciate you guys staying this long into the video, and you guys have a good one. Peace.